In addition to reacting with metals to form ionic compounds, non-metals can also react with each other. As the atoms of non-metals need to gain electrons to complete their outer shells, bonding between non-metals involves electron sharing. Hydrogen and chlorine react together to form hydrogen chloride. Both atoms require one extra electron to complete their outer shell. This is achieved by sharing one pair of electrons, forming a single covalent bond. The hydrogen atom now has 2 electrons in its outer shell. The chlorine atom now has 8 electrons in its outer shell. Both atoms now have stable noble gas structures. Similarly, carbon will react with hydrogen to form methane. Each carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outer shell and needs to gain 4 further electrons to complete the octet. Each hydrogen atom requires 1 extra electron to complete its outer shell. Simple covalent compounds are composed of small neutral molecules. The bonding between these molecules is very weak and is easily broken. As a result, covalent compounds have low melting points and boiling points and are often found as liquids or gases at room temperature. Covalent molecules possess no free electrons or ions and are electrical and thermal insulators.